Hello! Today I'm going to be eating a liver burrito. This is my giant burrito. For the tortilla, we have 350 calories. For the liver, we have 1 pound of liver. 600 calories. 92 grams of protein. For the cheese, we're using low-fat cheese, an entire bag. It has 315 calories. Part of my terrible handwriting. Also, the fact that from your perspective, this is probably backwards, but I'm not going to fix anything. 63 protein. And for the sauce, I made this homemade garlic sauce out of this super high protein yogurt. It's 17 grams of protein a serving. Every 170 grams is a serving, and it only has 100 calories. But I mixed a bunch of garlic and dill. 100 calories. 17 protein. So this entire burrito is 1,365 calories. But it has 172 grams of protein. And I want to eat this whole thing. Oh, yeah. Diet soda, because I'm watching my figure. This is so fire. Liver's not for everybody, it's for me. Oh, I got one of my own hairs on it. This burrito is everything is cracked up to be. Bye.